Hello, guys. I'm your host, 88, aka Anna. Now, without wasting much time, let's begin. So, yeah, this is the thing that we are going to unbox and review today. It's basically a Thor, Mjolnir 3D wood model, and it also contains a book. That is surprising. Usually, there are 3 ways to open, but I choose to go with sideways. Let's pull this way. Yeah. Nice and easy. Let's take it down. There's 2 cardboard pieces just to protect the inside parts. Nothing inside of the box. This was the cardboard piece that I was talking about. And this is the book, Thor's history and what he was doing in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. If you want, I can give it in the Facebook page, Artist Tracer, or the Instagram account, Artist Tracer. The link will be given in the down description below. If you want, check them out. Credits are available in the last page, and that's about this book. Okay, let's skip that. These are the various options that you can select from. I like them all, but I can't afford to buy them all. If I had to keep it, I don't have space for this much. I guess these are the instructions which we might need. I don't know, I'm not sure about that, but we can use that, no problems. Okay, now this is the main event which I was talking about. Now let's make it right away. Let's begin.
Me do my 2-step. Me do my 2-step. Me do my 2-step.
I almost thought I'm screwed up after accidentally breaking its handle. But why worry when Flux Quick is here for the rescue?
Want me do my two-step?